Ready to boost your teamwork on the go? Today, we're diving into how to create a Microsoft Teams account right from your mobile device. First, head over to your App Store that's either the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iPhones. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams. Once you find the Microsoft Teams app, look for the official Microsoft Teams icon, which is the stylized people icon. Tap on the Install or Get button to download the app to your phone. After the app is downloaded, go ahead and tap Open to launch Microsoft Teams. You'll be greeted with a sign-in screen since we're creating a new account. Tap on the Sign Up for Free option. Now, enter the email address you want to use for your Microsoft Teams account. This can be a personal email or a work email. Then tap Next. Next, Microsoft will ask how you want to use Teams. Choose the option that best describes your intended use. Euro for work is the most common for professional collaboration. Create a strong, secure password for your account. Make sure it's something you can remember, difficult for others to guess. Type it in both the Create Password and Confirm Password fields, and then tap Next. Enter your first name and last name, and select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Once you've filled in all the details, tap Next. Microsoft will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox for this code and enter it on the verification screen. And that's it. You've successfully created your Microsoft Teams account on your mobile device, and now you can start collaborating with your team, join meetings, and stay connected wherever you are.